Let us now continue our journey of exploring the marketing tab in GoHighLevel and move on to the next one, that is emails. Yes, you can do a variety of emails using this particular tab, and without wasting a lot of time, let me jump into the email tab. Here is the email tab. I clicked on it, and these are the options that you see. You can create different campaigns, and you can also look at the statistics that's there for your email campaigns that you have created. Looking at the campaigns, you can create different folders for different types of campaigns that you want to run, and you can create a new campaign by clicking on create a new campaign. Here you can choose a template which we have not created yet, so we'll first go back and create a template. But before that, let's look at the other options that we have here. Look at the settings tab. Here we have the attribution window attributed to all campaigns and campaigns with products. Verified sender emails, you verify an email that you want to use to send the email. Sender preferences, sender email and recipient to. The fonts and the tracking. So you can activate the tracking features. Click performance rate tracking, UTM tracking, and so on, depending on how much you know about email marketing. Now once you are through with the settings, you click on email once again and click on templates. Right here you create a new template. Now this could be using a design editor, a code editor, or a plain edit text editor. Let's use the design editor. That's a visual drag and drop editor. You have it here. You start from scratch. Now you can add the fields that you want to add. Could be an image, could be a logo, could be a text, could be a shopping cart, could be a FAQ, could be a countdown timer. Then you have different layout options, text and image. So you want the content on the right, your content on the left, content on the top, content on the bottom. So you can design your email the way you want to be. And once you are done designing the image, we say it to be a test template. Click on save and we go back. Now that we have a test template done, I come to campaigns, I click on a new campaign, and now I have the test template here. I want to use this, or I want to look at this. So by clicking on this eye icon, I can look at have a quick preview of the template. If this looks good, I'll go back. So I'll click on new, use this template, click on the tick mark that appears, and this is the template. Now I can, once I make some changes that I want to the template, I can either save or send or schedule. Now I can send now, the sender email, the sender name, the subject line I can generate using AI, preview text, who I want to send. Now this is where GoHighLevel integrates your marketing campaign with your contacts. You want to choose the contacts, you want to send to a smart list, you want to choose contacts from tags, or you want to use the pre-built segments. Contacts engaged in the last 7 days, engaged in the last 30 days, subscribers engaged, subscribers disengaged, and so on. You want to track the click, you want to do a UTM tracking. Once you fill up all of this, you can click on send or save, and the campaign triggers. Or you can send a test mail as well to check if everything is good. You can also have the options to schedule. You have the options to batch schedule. You have options to RSS schedule. Now these are the different options that you get when you are inside the email tabs of creating a campaign and the templates. You also have the statistics tab where you can have a look at all the statistics, top performing emails, most recent emails, and so on. All of this makes your email marketing thing extremely easy. So we have social media planning, we have email marketing options, and we'll be talking about more things in the next couple of videos. So do you have any questions until now? Feel free to ask me. I'm not explaining every single thing in a lot of details, rather I'm just walking you through the different possibilities and the different options that you have. And if you know what you're doing, you're good with it. So, great. Have a good day.